This Don King here with another video about in the stock market, investing in the stock market, and investing in dividend-paying stock for the long term. So before I begin, just get a disclaimer: I'm not giving no financial advice, no money advice, no stock advice. You do buy these shares at your own risk. So today's topic, we're talking about what are some ETFs I'm invested in, and I've been searching all week for the best ETF. There's some really good ETFs up there, but this one is my favorite for a few reasons. It's called QYLD. I did a review about this in the past videos. Look at the 52-week low is $17. So the lowest has been $17. The highest has been $24. So this stock doesn't go crazy with the price. It's usually $22 to $23, $24. Today is at $24.37, and I own 52 shares. I would not promote anything or any stock unless I actually own it. And the reason I like this ETF is for a few reasons. So let's go into what's inside of it. This is the holdings of QYLD. It's a global X fund, and this is top 10 holdings. There has way more in this, but this is the top 10. It's about Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, Google. You have PayPal. You have, I think, Home Depot as well in here. Had a lot of great companies that, out of the 8 things on this top 10 holdings, we could tell 8 of them how they make money. We all use Google, Facebook. A lot of people buy things from Amazon. We use, Apple products. So this ETF is a great holdings. The reason I like it so much because it don't cost a lot of money. It's only 23 bucks a share, which is not bad. It's really good for a price. And the dividend is $22. Excuse my AC. The dividend, is 22 cents per month, and it pays per month. That's the other good thing too. It pays per month, and it pays 22.88%. Last month. December it paid 22.99. Last month it paid 22.88. When I watched this video, so it pays around that much per month, and it pays per month. And you might see this, you might see the ETF skip a month. Cause I think last year I didn't get paid in October. I got paid twice in November. So you might see a skip a month, but you get paid double in 1 month. The pays per month has very strong holdings, and the price is not bad. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You buy 5 of these, or maybe just 4 of these, you make $1. So that's not bad. And with 52 shares, I'm bringing in, my last payment was $11.67 for 51 shares, which is not 51 shares, which is not bad at all. And like I said, I bought one in January for $22.94, which is not bad at all neither. It's very, very good. Matter of fact. So yeah, this is one of my favorite ETFs. I have another one as well that I recently did a video about. So another one, I'm expecting to get QYLD to like 150 shares. I want to get that to like 25, 30 bucks per month because I like it so much. The newest one I've looked at and done some research on. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of weird, but it's a newer ETF. If the Robinhood is terrible, but I'll put it in here that way. I put it over here. Hell, I haven't loaded up yet, of course. Yeah, I think it's not there yet. Okay, so I own 1 share of GEPI, JP Morgan Equality Income Fund. And you see it pays monthly, and you see that the monthly payments is weird. It goes to 49 cents to 54 cents to 51. I got paid 26 cents. So it's like you cut the dividend in half. The dividend growth here, And I mean, I own 3 shares of this. The dividend growth, nothing really. Um, the holdings, what the holdings? Yeah, I own 3 shares of this. So I own 3 shares of it. So I don't just tell people to buy stuff that I don't actually have myself. I don't believe in that. Um, Here is the, it's diversified. It has utilities, customer cycles, a little bit of real estate, industrial, a little tech, communications, financial, consumer defense. It has some corporate, a little bit of cash, and then the top 4 holdings are, I believe, notes that they buy and sell, and Microsoft, Target, uh, Alphabet, which is Google. I mean, it's a pretty solid ETF. I'm upset because the dividend was paid 54 cents in December. Now, what in January? Now it's 26 cents in February. So I would like to see if that thing will change any or go up or down. But those 2 are ETFs I'm looking at now. I have a few more I'm looking at. I got on Webull. Let me pull that up on my phone. That I like. I like a lot. Let me show you. I'm gonna give you those ticker symbols. R. And delete all the way. RYLD. Here we go. This is my next one I'm working on. And this is a cover call as well. Um, it has some weird things in it, but it's the next one I'm thinking about buying. Um, I own 1 share. No, I own no. I got 1 share of this right now. So I'm looking at that right now. But this is my top 2 ETFs. QYLD is my absolute favorite. I'm gonna get a cost. It's inexpensive. It pays a really good dividend. All last year it paid me 22 cents. It's hard to find an ETF that pays, the dividend yield is high. It's hard to find an ETF with strong holdings in it and it pays you 22 cents per month for $22. That's not easy to do in today's climate, but it's been paying it. One of my favorite ETFs. And I'm thinking about taking that, investing more money into it to get it to 25 bucks a month, 40, 50 bucks per month. Because, with the whole thing going on now, I'm not buying gas. My wife cuts my hair now, so I'm not spending money on gas and travel and getting my hair cut. I was in the bowling league before the pandemic happened, and not in the bowling league anymore. So, talking about $40 a month for my haircut. Talking about 80 bucks a month for bowling and $40 every 2 weeks. So 80 bucks in gas a month. So you could factor all of that in compared to not going to eat as much. We eat more at home. You could put all that, compound that into one jar. You're saving a lot of money, which I can invest into this ETF. So my question is, when you save money, do you, if you save $30, let's say something was $100 in the store, and you go across the street, you get it for 50. So you save $50. Did you really, that 50 bucks? What you do with that $50? Did you invest it? Did you put some in something? That $50, what do you do with the money? So with money we're saving, I'm putting into these ETFs. And $22 is not, it's pretty good. 51 shares, $11. So you go all my, assume I get 100 shares, I'd be over $22 per month. So I probably need just 110 shares of that QYLD to get to $25 per month. And I could probably hit that pretty quickly. But that's in the video. Like I said, is the low has been, and it hit the low when it hit the pandemic. But the high has been $24. Today's 23. I think it's a steal. Even at $30 a share, I think it's worth 35 bucks. And it's worth $23. This is my personal opinion. Not giving no financial advice. So you do as you please in the stock market. That's the end of my video. Please like this video, share the video. I'll see you next time.